Magical, it's softly sealed. Magic in the tulip field. Slowly zooming, moments free. Floating gently, thoughts to field. Sandals glow, a moment drawn. Colors blue from dreams awake. Warning whispers softly break. Dewdrops glisten, petals bright. Fields awake in morning light. Nature's art, so pure revered. Magic blooms within the fields. Gentle breeze through tulips play. Purple, gold, and sweet array. Fields extend beneath the skies. Beauty born before our eyes. Dewdrops glisten, petals bright. Dance beneath the morning light. Nature's beauty softly sealed. Magic in the tulip field. Slowly zooming, moments freeze. Floating gently with the breeze. Colors blend and worlds collide. In the stream we softly glide. Seals awake, colors deep and true. Every morning feels brand new. In the silence beauty heals. Forever blooms the tulip fields.